This is a databases question, and the question is, which of the following is an example of the independence of data from the database management system? So first of all, let's have a look at the question. We've got the term independence here, which means that the data is independent or separate from the database management system. So we have the database, which is basically a file which contains a table which is made up of vertical fields and horizontal records. Then we have the database management system, which is a piece of software which allows you to have access to that database and to perform analysis on that database. So now let's have a look at the options. We've got an organization uses data as part of a DBMS. While data isn't part of the DBMS, so it's not this statement. The DBMS accesses data using sequential access. So sequential access means it will access the data in a linear order. So it will go from piece of data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or we have random access, which means it can access any of those pieces of data in any order. And a DBMS accesses data either sequentially or random access, so this statement is incorrect. We've got an organization can only access data using a DBMS. That's incorrect because you can access that data not using a DBMS. You can print it out, or you can use various different programs to access that data. It's just a DBMS is probably the most efficient way of accessing and analyzing the data. And the last statement is the DBMS retrieves data without knowing where that data is stored, and that's the correct answer. So the DBMS and the data are completely separate, they're independent of each other, and the DBMS just retrieves that data. So the answer is D.